Crook, Hills and Bills, Foot for Cheek Mountain Hills.
All words and loves were young,
Uy, tabi na
and
kayo
human
dyan.
and shepherd staff. This pretty pleasure might be moved, and be pity, and be thy love.
And we will sit upon the rock, seeing the shepherds feed their flock. By shallow river to whose fall, melodious birds sing masigas.
When we were free and rocky no more, ang Philomel become his dam, the rest complains of cares to come.
And I will make the best of roses, 1,000 fragrant roses. A half of flowers and the myrtle, embroidered all with sticks of myrtle.
The flowers do fade in wanton, the flowers do fade in wanton fields. The flowers do fade in wanton fields. To wayward with the calling field. A hand sang a heart of blood, his punch is sweet but not small.
A gown made of finest wool, which from our pretty lamps we pull. Fairlight slippers for the old, with buckles of the purest gold.
Thy gown, thy shoes, thy bed of roses, thy cup, thy curtains, and thy faucet, soon break, soon wither, soon forgotten, and yet right,
A bed of straw and ivy vines, with coral flax and 8 amber stars. If these pleasures may be moved, come live with me and be my love.
thy gossip straw and ivy buds, the coral calm and amber satisfied. All this in me, no man can move, to come with thee and be there.
The shepherd's swan shall dance and sing, for the delight of each May morning. If this delight thy mind may move, then live with me and be my love.
But could this last and love still is a joy, no age, nor age, nor need. Then this delight, my mind,
Babe.
and vividly